Kevin the Weed Man here. I guess this is going to be part two. My wife is feeling adventurous, even with her foot, so. Yeah, here's the bottom here where people like to swim. I don't know how deep that is. It looks like it's pretty deep though. Oh, there's a guy up there, right there with his dogs. Walking across. Yeah. When this gets to flowing, like I said, it's a pretty cool little waterfall that comes down, lands there, and then let's just keep, keeps going. And down in this area is where the beaver are. There's a lot of beaver. Haven't seen any deer. Been fairly quiet, except for now when I'm talking. Just so peaceful out here. Love it out here. You can hear the water right over here. You're out of the wind. It's probably like 40 degrees outside right now, so it's kind of chilly. But I kind of thought the deer would be down here. They're out of the wind, in the sun. Be a good place to relax, not get shot at. And there's my wife right there. She's, whoops, where is she? Looking for something. It's quite the incline though. I'm worried about trying to have her walk back up there. So I'm gonna go back up there and see if she wants to come down here. Hopefully not. But alright, so I'm back up here with her. She's very happy about finding these.
I found babies.
Yeah.
It's two.
I guess she saw something on Etsy she wants to try to make. I don't know. Not sure. It's just really nice being out here in nature. Mm-hmm. Oh, babe, I saw a guy with 2 dogs walking over there too.
Yeah.
Might be over here in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, we saw horse tracks. Somebody took their horse down here. Well, you all have a great day, okay? Just remember, get out in nature. It'll help your mind.